The DJI Neo represents a departure from traditional drone designs, which have typically been tailored for outdoor use. This shift is significant, as it signals a new focus on indoor environments, which require a different approach to design and functionality. The Neo's design is expected to be sleek and minimalist, with a focus on functionality that makes it ideal for indoor use. The drone is rumored to be ultra-compact, allowing it to navigate tight spaces with ease. This is a critical feature for indoor drones, which need to be nimble and agile to avoid obstacles and operate in confined spaces. Maximizing flight time in indoor environments. One of the biggest challenges for indoor drones is battery life. Flying indoors requires a drone to be both powerful and efficient, as there are often no opportunities for mid-flight recharging. The DJI Neo is rumored to have an extended flight time, allowing it to stay aloft for longer periods without sacrificing performance. This is particularly important for indoor environments where flight times can be limited by obstacles and the need for precise maneuvering. If the rumors are true, the Neo could set a new standard for battery life in indoor drones, making it a game changer for the industry. The importance of intelligent flight controls. Indoor environments present unique challenges for drones, requiring advanced flight controls to navigate safely and efficiently. The DJI Neo is expected to feature intelligent flight controls that make it easier to operate in indoor spaces. These controls could include features like obstacle avoidance, automated flight paths, and advanced stabilization systems. These features would make the Neo not only easier to fly, but also safer to operate in confined spaces. This could open up new possibilities for indoor drone use, allowing for more creative and innovative applications. Cutting-edge camera capabilities. The DJI Neo is also rumored to feature cutting-edge camera capabilities, making it a powerful tool for indoor photography and videography. Indoor environments often present challenging lighting conditions, requiring a camera that can adapt and deliver high-quality images. The Neo is expected to excel in this area with a camera that can capture stunning visuals even in low-light conditions. This could make the Neo an essential tool for photographers and videographers looking to explore new creative possibilities in indoor spaces. The potential impact on the drone market. The DJI Neo could have a significant impact on the drone market, particularly in the indoor segment. As more consumers and professionals look for drones that can operate effectively indoors, the Neo could become a go-to device for a wide range of applications. Its innovative design, advanced flight controls, and cutting-edge camera capabilities could set a new standard for indoor drones, driving demand and inspiring new developments in the industry. Speculating on the future, what comes next? As we look to the future, it's exciting to speculate on what the DJI Neo could mean for the drone industry. With its focus on indoor environments, the Neo could pave the way for a new generation of drones that are specifically designed for indoor use. This could lead to new applications and use cases, from indoor photography and videography to commercial and industrial uses. The possibilities are endless, and the Neo could be just the beginning of a new era in drone technology. Conclusion: embracing the future of indoor drones, the DJI Neo is more than just a new drone. It's a symbol of the future of indoor drone technology. With its innovative design, intelligent flight controls, and cutting-edge camera capabilities, the Neo could redefine how we think about indoor drones. As we eagerly await more details, it's clear that the Neo has the potential to make a significant impact on the industry and inspire new developments in the years to come. Whether you're a drone enthusiast, a photographer, or a professional looking for new tools, the DJI Neo is a device that promises to deliver exciting new possibilities for indoor flight. That's it for now. We'll meet in the next video. Bye!